Hi, welcome. I'm Topher. What we're going to do today is take you through this experience of what I just did. It's a multi-dimensional balayage with a little touch of color. Divide the hair into 4 quadrants. Always start out with clean partings and sectioning, that way to ensure proper color placement. The reason we chose to apply the lightener the way we did today is we wanted to see a little contrast, but not too much of a demarcation line. We went with PRAVANA's Pure Light Blonding Cream as it lifts up to 9 levels. We started the shadow root in 2-inch sections and lightly pulled the color down just a little bit. I chose a color blocking technique utilizing PRAVANA ChromaSilk Platinum Toners. Thanks so much. Again, I am Topher. If you have any questions, you're always able to call 855-PRAVANA or go to pravana.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.